we start you and like, okay, you can totally understand this. Like, there's nothing about the pure functional style. Is creating an empty object and then connecting it up to the card out prototype. So, of creating that lifeline up to somewhere else to get home. Yeah.
I was definitely disappointed because I believe this is a symptom of the lack of diversity in Silicon Valley as a whole.
Equal to the new object that just has a location property on it that's set equal to 1.
I don't believe that the engineering team that worked on this product hard-coded racial bias into the algorithm. I definitely don't believe that. I just believe that this was a symptom of something even larger. That if there was more diverse perspectives, maybe somebody would have caught this bug.
Somebody will raise your hand at that point and be like, wait, who does clarify, like, I'm actually a certain...
No, I won't stop using Google, but I definitely will start thinking twice about how Google and other Silicon Valley products are being made and whether they can kind of serve me as an African American the same way that they serve other people.
What? Yeah, Chris.
And that's why I'm thrilled to be here to introduce a brand new product, Google Photos. Google Photos, a home for all your photos and videos, organized and brought to life so that you can share and save what matters. Google Photos helps you organize and bring your moments to life. We want to take the work out of photos. Using machine learning, Google Photos understands what's important and helps you by automatically organizing your memories. So here, I'm just going to tap the blue search button, and you'll see all my photos organized by the people, places, and things that matter the most in my life.